All right, now we're doing 7Q 2 to 1. This is by G964, and 89% of people like it. We're going to take two strings, S1 and S2, including only letters from A to Z, and we're going to return a new sorted string at the longest possible containing distinct letters, each taken only once from S1 and S2. All right, so basically we're going to join both of these together, and then we're going to just put the unique letters in there, and that's it. All right, so for this one, we're going to start off by turning this into concise syntax. So we're going to say const here equals this, and then all this is now an arrow. All right. So first thing we're going to do for this is we're going to put an empty array right here. Now we're going to fill this empty array with a set, all right? And if you don't know what the set is, what the set object is, it lets us store unique values of any type, whether primitive values or object references. But the main thing is that a value in the set may only occur once, okay? And it's unique in the sets collection. So that's what this whole unique thing is. So to do that, we're going to, let me show you the syntax we use down here. We're gonna do this new and then set right there, and then whatever in parentheses. And I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. But to get it into the array, to get it to fit nicely into the array, we're going to have to use this spread syntax, which allows an iterable such as an array or string to be expanded in places where 0 or more arguments or elements are expected. All right. So what we're going to do is say dot dot dot. And then we're going to say new and set right there. And then inside of the set, we're just going to push S1 and S2. So we're going to push S1 plus S2, just like that. Now what we got to do is we've got to sort the string, all right? And the sort method, so we're going to use the sort method, and it sorts the elements of an array in place and returns the reference to the same array now sorted. Basically, we just do like a dot sort right here, and it'll sort it in alphabetical. What is going on here? Yeah, D, F, J, M. Yeah, in alphabetical order. All right, I thought that F was before D for like a split second. Sorry about that. All right, so we're going to say dot sort, and usually we have to do some sort of stuff like this with an arrow function and whatnot, but since it's just alpha order, we're just going to leave it like that. All right, and then after that, we're going to join all of that together because it's in an array. And oops, actually, let me put this bracket over here. And we're going to join all this together and make this array into a string. And we're going to use the join method, which creates and returns a new string by concatenating all of the elements in an array separated by commas or a specified separator string. So basically, we're going to join it by the spaces in between characters, so that there's so it just makes one long string, no spaces. So we're going to say dot join by the spaces in between the characters, and that should take care of business. Let's see. And it does. Awesome. Attempt it. Great. All right, and we're going to submit it. And we're doing this best practice right here. So my solution's right here. Best practice, in my opinion, 255 plus the rest of us, and very much like this one. And we'll see you next time.